If you are looking for information about the master code, then you can stop wasting your time. Universal Unlock PIN is not a master code that can unlock any device. It usually refers to a reliable way to unlock Android without a password. Now, let's get to the point. Way 1. The fastest way to unlock Android phone if forgot passcode. Here, you can unlock your phone with a universal Android unlock tool, Share Android Password Genius. Go to download the Share Android Password Genius, and you can learn it can not only remove screen lock password, pattern, PIN, fingerprint, Face ID of Android phones, but also remove Google FRP lock. Launch the software and click the Install button on the main screen to install the driver that will be used to recognize your Samsung phone. Choose Unlock Screen Lock on the home page. Please note that removing screen lock will erase all data on the device. After checking out, click Start. Choose the brand of the device and click Start. Follow the on-screen instruction to get the Android device into recovery mode. After successfully entering recovery mode, click Next. The program will remove screen lock on this Android device later. Then you will get a fresh device and be able to unlock the Android phone without password. Way 2. Unlock Android pattern or PIN using a Google account. If your Android was added with a Google account before it was locked and you still remember its password, then using Google's Find My Devices feature to unlock your Android is one of your options. Go to Find My Device page on any browser. Then sign into this page using your Google account. Select the lock device. Choose and confirm to erase devices. Log into this page with your Google account again. You need to verify before you can log into this browser. Click Erase to confirm. Wait a few minutes until the reset is complete and your turns back on. Way 3. Unlock Android PIN using Find My Mobile Samsung. Go to the Samsung official website. Log into Samsung account. Go to Find My Mobiles on Devices tab under the account. Log into Samsung account again. Click Unlock to remove screen lock on Samsung phone. Enter password for Samsung account to confirm to unlock the device. Now, you can access your Android phone without a password. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up